friends.
I'm gonna go check out the door.
Totally killed the gutter.
Yeah, the gutter was overflowing with hail.
Yeah, I saw it. It was like rushing out in a waterfall.
Pick you around the side of the woodshed where it's
I'm doing a video.
Please be plastic.
With the rain on the camera. Sarah, have you got like an umbrella or something? Because it's still dribbling. Fine, ignore me. Ow! Trampoline got hurt. Hold on! Ah! Well, look at the mist!
There might be more thunderstorms after that.
Oh no!
Please look at the sky, the clouds are moving again.
Do you know where a umbrella is? Oh, shoot!
It's not raining anymore.
You sure? Because it
Yeah.
sounded like it was. Okay. Where am I filming?
All of it.
I already did. That's why I was up the other end.
It's snowing. My feet are like
This is like that time they had the hailstorm in Brisbane, but kids were like sliding down it on boogie boards.
But nowhere near as much.
Yeah, well, we could have had more if it stayed. It only stayed like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, we go around the side.
Cool, 31. Perfect.
It's all melted a little now. The sun's come out.
Watch out for the trees, they're dripping.
Yeah, I noticed. Trying to keep it off my camera.
Is this filming or not?
Yep. Oh.
No, that's past us. There's more out the front.
Okay, I'm going.
Yeah, we'll go over there in a minute. How many minutes of film? Let's try and hail at each other.
Idiot. Kids next door are throwing hail at each other. Okay, going out the front. Next one gonna be. Well, I know till I get the thing back on because they've been going so quick. It's everywhere. Ah, cold, 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 cold. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, it's freezing.
Yeah, cool. Man, you get all those cakes, you've been in there for a while. Is it? Can we get in? Until the next one comes, I guess. Can we all come in? Oh, wow. I know.
What?